LiDAR stands for Light Detection and Ranging, and it measures how long it takes light to reach an object and reflect back. We've adopted this technology for iPhone, and with the machine learning and depth frameworks of iOS 14, iPhone understands the world around you and builds a precise depth map of the scene. It enables object and room scanning, photo and video effects, and precise placement of AR objects. LiDAR makes iPhone 12 Pro a powerful device for delivering instant AR and unlocking endless opportunities in apps. The LiDAR scanner also takes our Pro camera system to a whole new level. With LiDAR's ability to see in the dark, we use it for autofocus in low-light scenes, improving accuracy to focus and reducing capture time. Instead of hunting for focus, the LiDAR scanner can identify the subject, focus, and capture right away. This works in photos and videos. In fact, with LiDAR, we can improve focus time in low-light scenes by up to 6 times, so your subject is clearly in focus without missing the moment. LiDAR also improves depth in low light for night mode, enabling stunning night mode portrait shots like this one. Look at the incredible detail in the face, the realistic color throughout the scene, and the blooming bokeh in the lights in the background. And that's the new LiDAR scanner on iPhone 12 Pro. Now, back to Jaws.
As you can see, iPhone 12 Pro is loaded with incredible innovations. And when you combine these advanced capabilities with 5G, it will enable you to do so much more on the go. And 5G is going to unlock even more opportunities for our developers. I'd like to show you a couple examples. On-call physicians often need to review complex medical scans anywhere, anytime. Osirex HD app and 5G enables them to download these very large images with lightning-fast speeds. The ability to download a full diagnostic scan in a matter of seconds versus minutes can make the difference between life and death for a stroke victim. An enterprise will be able to use private 5G networks for high reliability and low latency apps. Like JigSpace, which accelerates setup of complex workspaces. To set up a medical device production facility, Medtronic would normally create a 6 Sigma cardboard layout of the space, taking weeks to design and costing tens of thousands of dollars. And now with 5G and the new LiDAR scanner, iPhone 12 Pro enables teams to immediately map the environment and collaborate with their colleagues to instantly place simulated equipment, adapt it to the room layout, and outline process flows. JigSpace and iPhone 12 Pro enable Medtronic to completely transform projects from weeks to hours, reducing costs by more than 90%. We really push the limits with iPhone 12 Pro and iPhone 12 Pro Max, with stunning new designs and larger displays. They're packed with our most innovative technologies, like the A14 Bionic chip, LiDAR scanner, an incredible Pro camera system powered by computational photography. And now here's a short film we created about the iPhone 12 Pro.
A singular new design, a re-engineered chip, and 5G. This is iPhone 12 Pro. The vertical band is precision machined from stainless steel. The ceramic shield on the front is tougher than any smartphone glass. And tighter borders allow for even larger Super Retina XDR displays. 5G is set to change the world with radically faster speeds. The hardware and software have been optimized for the best 5G experience. A14 Bionic has a smaller 5nm transistor which pushes the most powerful chip in the smartphone generations ahead. A new and improved Pro camera system makes the 12 Pro the photographer's iPhone. The larger iPhone 12 Pro Max takes these innovations even further. Its bigger sensor dramatically increases the detail captured and helps improve low light performance by 87%. The custom-designed LiDAR scanner puts advanced depth mapping technology in your pocket. You can now take a night mode portrait and unlock a new world of possibilities for augmented reality. iPhone 12 Pro smashes the benchmark for highest quality video in a smartphone. And movie industry can now count on it as an essential piece of equipment. It is the world's first device able to capture, playback, and edit 10-bit HDR footage with Dolby Vision. iPhone 12 Pro comes in 2 sizes and in 4 finishes, including New Pacific Blue. An integral part of this year's design is MagSafe, an intelligent system of magnets that connect accessories in a whole new way. All this and more make iPhone 12 Pro the most powerful iPhone ever.
Even with all these incredible Pro technologies, we are keeping the price the same as today, with iPhone 12 Pro starting at $999. And we're doubling the starting capacity to 128 gigabytes. And iPhone 12 Pro Max, with our best cameras ever, at $1099. We're rolling out 5G to more than 100 carriers around the world. This is our fastest rollout ever. iPhone 12 and iPhone 12 Pro will be available for pre-order this Friday, October 16th, and available next week on October 23rd. iPhone 12 Pro Max and iPhone 12 Mini will be available for pre-order starting on Friday, November 6th, and they will begin shipping the following week on November 13th. So this is our new iPhone lineup, starting with iPhone SE at just $399, and iPhone 11 is now just $599. Now, back to Tim.
Wow, what an amazing day. This is the day we've all been looking forward to. It's remarkable to think about where iPhone started and where it is today. Now with support for high-performance 5G networks, the powerhouse A14 chip, Super Retina XDR displays with ceramic shield, MagSafe, and breakthrough camera systems that even record Dolby Vision video, and Pro models that take the experience further with a Pro design, 4 incredible cameras, LiDAR scanner, and the largest display we've ever shipped in an iPhone. We've come so far with a device that is so important to our daily lives. This marks the start of a new era for iPhone. And we announced HomePod Mini with computational audio, the power of Siri, and a simple and private smart home experience, all in a beautiful, compact design. At Apple, we put the user at the center of everything we do. It means so much to us to create products that make a difference in people's lives, products that make things simpler, easier, and more enjoyable. And we couldn't be more proud of these products and the amazing teams who made it all possible. Thank you for joining us. Stay safe and have a great day.